In a world driven by data, staying ahead means embracing innovation, efficiency, and intelligence. Welcome to Bizmetric's journey with Databricks. Databricks, the unified platform for data analytics, machine learning, and business intelligence, becomes a game-changer with Bizmetric's expertise. Our unified data analytics capabilities enable businesses to integrate diverse data sources, transform raw information into insights, and foster collaboration across teams. Effective budget management is critical. Bizmetric optimizes Databricks architectures for cost efficiency, dynamic scaling, and real-time expenditure monitoring. With advanced machine learning capabilities, we help businesses deploy AI models that redefine their operations, from fraud detection to customer insights. Security and compliance are non-negotiable. Bizmetric implements robust governance solutions, ensuring data integrity and regulatory compliance. Harness the power of real-time analytics. Bizmetric empowers organizations to make decisions faster with Spark structured streaming and seamless tool integrations. Delta Lake expertise ensures data reliability, performance, and scalability, supporting your organization's growing data needs. With a proven track record, end-to-end expertise, and a customer-centric approach, Bizmetric and Databricks drive success together. Unlock the full potential of your data with Bizmetric and Databricks. Together, we turn possibilities into achievements.